well, had a good week. It was quite a slow week for me, not one of the best ones, but so far we are profitable. I didn't take a trade this morning on gold. I see price did continue to push a little bit higher, meaning our bias was correct, but for me, I just didn't see any point in entering. Let me show you guys. It's price action for me was just a bit messy. Yeah, no, for me, I mean, there's no clear target where to target here. Price came off of a supply level, making a lower high here. It's just, I didn't feel like getting or putting money at risk there. But I first want to speak to you guys, or the purpose of this video is going through yesterday's trade. I just want to get the, okay, so it's not in replay mode anymore, but I'm going to put it in replay mode quickly. Let me get the time. Friday, Thursday. Yeah, okay. So this was just a little bit of this. This was the time I came to the market. I saw, or I tried figuring out what price is doing, so that whether I can trade or not. Can't really see anything much there, except that it's very bullish. So meaning our higher time frame bias is bullish. We can see price did react from somewhere here. We don't know where, but somewhere from the left. We can go a little bit lower and check if we could maybe see from where price reacted. Well, it took out liquidity there. And let me show you there. There I can immediately see the price took liquidity there. And there we go. Let's just fix this. That's where it reacted from. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, my higher time frame bars was bullish, meaning I was only going to look for bars during New York. I was aware of this low here, that if price would have broken it, probably sells, meaning or coming down to this low, filling the void, filling the imbalance, whatever you want to call it, okay, and collecting more orders. But obviously, like I said, for a few times now, already probably sick of hearing it. Higher time frame bars was bullish, meaning I'm not keen on sells. I don't want to put my money in a dangerous place, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's when, so what I do for New York, I just mark out my London time zones like this, and then like this. Okay, just for me to make it more clear when London liquidity is being taken out. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. Just like my London strategy, where with the green box candle, where if price breaks the low of the box, I will probably look to buy somewhere. And if price, wait, let me do this. And if price, wait, it's not going to be neat there. And if price breaks the high, I will probably look for some sells. It's the same, it's just a different time, or not a different time frame, different time slot, and a different pair. That's what makes this strategy so easy, and so easy to understand, easy to trade, etc, etc. Okay, so let's just play out London, see what happened there. Like we said, we are bullish. Okay, so this is, okay, wait, I'm on the 15 minutes. Normally I drop down to the 5 minutes, and then I want to go back. Apologies. Okay, so if I'm going to make it easy, the way I started to learn and to grasp this concept is to actually mark the highs and the lows of this. Let me do it nicely like this, maybe like that, just so you guys can see. And then obviously London low was here. Okay, so like I said, the idea behind the high and the low is for price to sweep it and then go to the opposite direction. Like I said, it's not always gonna work like we saw with the London strategy. It doesn't mean that if we are bullish and it swept this, that it must sell. No, it's not going to do that always. Sometimes not even going to take out this liquidity price, or the momentum is so strong that it's not going to want to do it. It's just going to continue. Okay, but when I saw this and I saw it reacting from this zone here, very small, very minimal zone, but it did react. I was on the road here. No, yeah, I was on the road here, but I saw price break structure to the upside here, meaning, well, even though this is a minor break of structure, my community know why we were able to take it. It's because the higher time frame is bullish, meaning a minor break of structure to the upside is valid, and that's all I did. So when I was on the road, I saw this break of structure to the upside. Let me just clear that so you guys know the meaning behind, or the idea behind it. Meaning, so then I just went to put a place. I placed a limit order, stops there. So where am I gonna target? We can obviously see this level of liquidity. Okay, so that will be a target, and then this is something I saw immediately, that immediately caught my eye, and that's where my take profit would have been if this trade was triggered for a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just see what happened. Price continued up, almost tapped us in, but not quite. So let's just play price a bit forward. So this was when I actually sent to my community just before this bearish trade, or bearish candle. I actually don't think price is going to come back all the way down, but I'm going to leave my order, I'm going to leave my limits, and yeah, let's see what happened. Price came down. So here is when I just came in with the next candle. So I saw I got triggered there. That's where I saw I got triggered. And this is when I opened my computer, which was very nice, because look at that reaction there immediately. Obviously that one, I don't really care about that one. Didn't get on my nerve. I stuck to my strategy. I stuck to my trust in it, because I know the system does work. And yeah, there we go. Very, very, very precise exit there for 1, 2, 3. And yeah, that's basically all. That's I just wanted to go through the reason behind me taking the trade yesterday on SPX for a 3%. So like I said, the week has been slow so far. I think we took 1 or 2 losses, or no, one, I can't remember, 1 or 2 losses on gold. No, not on gold, on another pair. But yeah, then dumped my watch list down to just these 2 pairs, my one London pair, my one New York pair, which has been working for me in the past. I don't know why I changed it, but something I can tell you guys, just don't change something that's working, and that's why I stick with these 2, one pair, one session, one strategy. And yeah, like you guys see, it's a money printing machine. And yeah, this week has been slow. Hopefully next week will be a bit better. This week has been crazy with news, CPI, PPI, etc, etc. Hopefully next week will be better, and we can pass some challenges for you guys and grow personal accounts, whatever you may be trading on. Okay, but yeah, that's all for me. Quick short video just explaining the trade of yesterday, and I'll see you guys in the chat. Okay, cheers, ciao.